Hey everybody, it's Crystal Beshara, and I'm popping on here to remind you of something very important. I don't want you to miss out on this. The deadline is coming for your opportunity to join me in 2027 in Portugal. Yes, I'm teaching a watercolor workshop there. It's called Painting the Light, and we're going to be working in this 5-star luxury boutique private hotel with a pool and these luxurious gardens. I still have a few spaces left for this 8-night watercolor retreat, and we're going to be in the Algarve, close to the town of Lagos. We'll have a day trip to the beaches and some optional sightseeing as well. Of course, you can spend more time before or after this retreat, but the deadline is coming up and the early bird prices are going to be ending in February. So that is something that you're not going to want to miss. The first one that I put out there filled up in less than a week. All 12 spots were just scooped up. So it was enough incentive to open up this second opportunity. So don't delay. I think there are 4 bedrooms left and 1 private room. So if you're a solo traveler, that would be for you. If you're a solo traveler open to sharing a room, each room can be split into 2 twin beds. So that's an opportunity for you to share a room with someone in a separate bed. And if you're open to that, that's the most budget-friendly option for you. All the meals are included. I'm available to you all day long, every day. The opportunity to join this retreat is going to close March 1st, and I still have my early bird pricing, so you're going to want to jump on that before February, before the prices go up. You can reach out to me, Crystal, at crystalbeshara.com, or jump on my website, crystalbeshara.com, and at the top of my website, you'll see a little bar that you can click on that talks all about my Portugal luxury watercolor retreat coming up in 2027. Now that seems a ways off. However, that first retreat, just as a reminder, it did fill up within a week. So this is your last opportunity for 2027. At this retreat, we're going to be learning how to capture light and texture and atmosphere, be it seaside cliffs or our lush gardens at the villa itself. I always give all of the recipes that I use, and with these types of workshops, each lesson builds upon the previous. So we start kind of small studies, warming up, learning these beautiful color combinations that bring out a richness, getting used to immediate painting and light sketching as well, until finally we have a whole series of artwork that we can reflect on. All of these skills and techniques that I'll be teaching, of course, are transferable to in-studio work, or you can take these newfound skills and bring them with you to a cottage or on your next trip. It's going to be unforgettable. You're not going to want to miss this. I don't know when I'll be back in Portugal. I've got 25 years of teaching experience locally and abroad. Mexico, Greece, Italy, the UK, the US, and of course, right here in Canada. You can check out my artwork or learn more about this 5-star luxury watercolor retreat at crystalbeshara.com. Drop a comment here if you've got any questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you.